previously the king, or rather you are king. He also became the DPO, the police officer, who said even mosquitoes, when they went to bite policemen, they will salute before they bite them small. You can imagine that. His name is Usman Abubakar Yar'adua Verse. He is coming on the stage for another performance titled Hausa Fulani. I will immediately vacate this stage and see what Usman Abubakar Yar'adua has for us this morning. Wherever you are, the floor is yours.
She's just a girl.
Me go daki, in wore jam, in fini jam. Shin, me yasa kuke rugawa na taho? Kun manta da ni dan uwanku ne? I remember when I was a child, we used to sing a song every morning before going to class, greeting the 5 working days, one national dream. We sang it clearly, loudly, with innocent voices. One nation bound in freedom, peace, and unity. But where is the peace? Where is the unity? Perhaps someone has stolen the unity, because since I grew up, I have never seen it among us. When the Makiyayi killed the Manoni, the Hausa fight with Fulani without knowing they are one family. Take me back to the olden days. Lokacin da makwabci ke zama kamar dan uwa, lokacin da Hausa Fulani muka yi rayuwa kamar 'yan gida ɗaya. Take me back to the days when we brought out food and make dandali together. Mu zauna, mu kunna wuta, mu bara gyaɗa, mu sha fura da nono, mu yi taɗi, mu yi fira. Take me back to the days lokacin da makwabci ke zama kamar dan uwa. Take me back the olden days lokacin da Hausa Fulani mukan zama 'yan uwa. Take me back to the days lokacin da 'yan Hausa Fulani za su yi laifi ka hukunta 'ya'yansu mahaifinsu ya zo gida ya maka godiya. Because at that time, discipline means love and correction means connection. But that is the olden days. But today everything changed. People now judge all Fulani as bandits, forgetting that we have the Fulani philosophers, Fulani sociologists, Fulani psychiatrists. And why? Why are we killing ourselves? Me yasa muke kashe junanmu? Shin, I ask you, wace irin rayuwa muke yi? Muna yin rayuwa kamar dabbobi, sometimes worse than animals. Ko kare makaskacin dabba yana jin tausayin dan uwan shi kare. Ko sani ko jaki yana jin tausayin dan uwan shi jaki, amma mu wace irin rayuwa muke yi? Muna yin rayuwa kamar dabbobi. Ana kashe mu ba mu san laifin da muke yi ba, su ma wa'anda suka kashe mu ba san me muke masa ba. Fitina. Wannan ƙasa ce ta Hausa da Fulani, and I want to tell you one word. Ku sani ba cewa ba dukkan Fulani bane 'yan ta'adda. Fulani an san mu da al'ada. If we forget our culture, let me remind you the small. Fulani an san mu da kima, da soyayya, da halacci, da aminci, da mutunci. Babu ruwanmu da batulci. An riga an san mu da kara da sanin ya kamata. So today, I say, without fear in my show, without fear in my voice, ku zo mu haɗa kai, mu zama 'yan uwanmu ɗaya, tsintsiya maɗaurinmu ɗaya, babu ruwanmu da faɗa ko kyara. Babu kyara, babu tsana, babu kyama a tsakaninmu. Together, we will rise, inshallah.
Together, we will rise, inshallah. Said Abubakar Usman Yar'adua Verse. Thank you so much for bringing creativity, uniqueness all the time in this competition. Come forward and distinguish yourself from your performance. Hey, you've been so many caps. Come forward. You are part of this team. all the time. Just a step, mind the gap. Are you the contestant? Just stay like this. All right, great. Vas, you've done very well. I'm sure our judges are busy scoring your performance, but let me get one of them, Faisal Mudi Kurfi, to pass a quick feedback based on your performance while the remaining judges are computing your score based on this performance. So, Mr. Faisal, what do you have to say?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Prof, I can see you are still standing next to the emir. Kamanta da abin da ya faru baya ko? So, thank you very much, Malam Usman. That was a very good performance, and I think I really loved it, especially the theme, considering how Hausa Fulani are being portrayed worldwide. So I think it's a very good fit for this occasion. And I really love your outfit and the performance of the audience. And I think you use all the team members effectively, because there wasn't any redundant member of the team. So it conveyed the message, effectively to the audience. So one thing I really love, I think, when you use take me back repeatedly, that is the use of anaphora. It takes me back to the I Had a Dream speech by Martin Luther King Jr. So I think it's a very good one, and I like it. So I think this is the feedback I have for the performance. Thank you.
Okay, if there is something I love about performance entrances, is the creativity. When you came in, I was like, okay, I can't wait to see what this boy is bringing on. I love your use of language. I love your attire. I always tell contestants that your dressing is part of your poetry performance.
Thank you, ma'am.
In as much as creatives, we are always flawed one way or the other. Our learning is unending. So I'm very sure you've seen a lot of DK Chukwumereji and others, because I can see some traits of performances. I love the performance.
Thank
and
you.
Keep on learning. It never ends.
Thank you, ma'am.
So much, Hanifa Abdurrahman, and thank you so much, Usman Abubakar Yar'adua, for all what you've been doing. Judges have noted your performance and your score is being imputed, but we don't know what's going to be the outcome from your team until the remaining two of your team members have performed just now. For the meantime, we thank you and ask you and your team to wait just behind the stage for that moment. Thank you so much, everyone, all of you. Hausa Fulani, Azona Lafiya.